it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. In this video, I'm bringing you guys a fall inspired DIY. I'm basically going to show you guys how to make really affordable fall decorations and see what we can create for like under 10 bucks a decoration. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm making is this really simple fall fever kitchen display. All I'm using is this 12 by 12 piece of wood that I got from Walmart. It costs $5 and it's supposed to be like a hanging frame type of thing, but I'm going to use it as like a serving tray. So first thing you're going to want to do is unscrew the nail on the back and detach the yarn that they have attached to the back of it. Now I'm taking this little chalkboard that I got for $2 and I'm going to rip off the hanging sticker off of the back, and I'm using a white piece of chalk to label it Fall Fever. To assemble the display, I just leaned the chalkboard on top of the serving tray, and then I used some coffee cups that I already owned. You can use whatever you have laying around to decorate for the fall. Next, I'm moving on to candles. Candles are a really easy way to decorate for the fall. You can either keep it really simple or dress them up. So this first candle display is going to be a little bit more simple, and my next candle display is going to be a little bit more complex. For this, I'm only using 5 items, which are potpourri, a candle holder, the candle itself, a 32 pack of dollies, and a lighter. And they're all $1 from the Dollar Tree. Assembling this candle display is really easy. I'm going to take all 32 of the dollies and center them on top of each other. I'm using all 32 of them because they're really thin. Then I'm placing the candle holder in the center of the dollies and I'm putting the candle into the candle holder. After that, I'm laying some potpourri around the candle to give it more of a fall theme, and this is apple scented, so it kind of screams out fall. After that, all you have to do is light your candle and you have a really simple yet elegant $5 fall candle display. This next candle display is also pretty simple, but it's a little bit more complex because it calls for more items. You're going to need a serving tray, 3 candle holders, a pack of potpourri, mine is vanilla scented, a pack of candles, which is also vanilla scented, and a lighter. All items costing $1, so this candle display is only $7, you guys. I'm starting off by placing all 3 candle holders in the center of the serving tray, and I got them in 2 different colors. I just feel like this looks a bit more rustic instead of it all being the same yellow color candle holder. Next, I'm placing 3 vanilla scented candles into the candle holders. You can use any type of candle fragrance that you want to. Personally, vanilla is my favorite. That's why I'm using so much of it in this video, and the potpourri is also vanilla scented, and that was not purposeful. I just feel like this shade of tan potpourri goes best with this display, so that's why I went with this one. I'm using the potpourri to cover the base of the serving tray. Potpourri is basically dried flowers, and this shade looks like fall leaves, so it just gives it that rustic at-home fall vibe. After covering your tray with potpourri, all you have to do is light your candles and you have another really affordable fall decoration. Next on my fall DIY list is this potted flower display. I'm using flowers that I got from Walmart for $1, 2 pre-painted bottles that I got from Walmart for $2 each, and potpourri. I have red potpourri in this scene, but I actually chose to go with the same tan vanilla potpourri because it looked better in the display. The first thing I'm doing is measuring how long I want my flower to be inside of the bottle. I'm cutting the flowers after the first notch, and these fake flowers have wires going through the stem, so the scissors can only cut through the plastic part. Afterwards, I have to twist them and break them apart. Now that I've cut the flower to a length that it can actually fit inside of the vase, I'm going to fill the vase up with potpourri, and then I'm going to use super glue to attach the ribbon to the base of the vase. I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree for $1 and it looks like little fall leaves. And I'm measuring out the length that I want the ribbon, and then I'm going to cut it and position it on the vase. And all you need is a little bit of glue. I'm using super glue to hold it in place. So the last fall DIY that I have for you guys is a classic fall wreath. This wreath totals $8. I got all the pieces from the Dollar Tree. All you're going to need is a naked wreath, a couple of leaves or flower branches to break off, battery powered lights, and a pack of AA batteries. This is my personal fave DIY because you can get as creative as you want to. I picked out the most fall inspired leaves and flowers that I found at the Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is removing the tips of the branches because that's the only way that you can remove all the flowers and leaves to attach them to your wreath. And then I'm going to hot glue every single item onto this naked wreath until it turns into a beautiful fall masterpiece. Now I'm just going to unwind my battery powered lights, put 2 AA batteries in them, and then hot glue that to the wreath also, and you'll have a super festive fall wreath that usually retails for $30 in department stores that we've made for only $8. So that wraps up my under $10 fall DIY video, you guys. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.